In this video, we'll take a quick look at the hike settings found on the Garmin Instinct when you want to do an outdoor hike. Just press the GPS button and choose one of the activity profiles. Here we'll choose the pre-existing hike profile. Press the GPS to select it. We'll wait to acquire GPS signal by the check mark. And once we're ready to go, we can hit start or hit the GPS button to start. And from here, you can scroll through the data screens by using the up or down buttons. So you have your heart rate, map, time of day, max temperature if you're using the sensor. And there you go. Some other quick features when you're using the hike activity. Let's say you want to save a waypoint. All you have to do is press and hold the GPS button. That'll give you the ability to save the waypoint. So we'll press the GPS button again to save it. And from here, we can press the down key to actually edit it. We can edit the name. By default, it will put the date and time for you. You have the ability to change the icon, and you can hit the GPS key, then you get the different icon categories you can select. You can manually change the position if you are pre-entering waypoints before your hike activity, or let's say you're reading coordinates off of an interpretation panel on the trail. You can manually enter the position this way. So again, just press the GPS, and then from here you can just enter it manually. Just the elevation, or actually delete the waypoint. Go back. And some of the other functions that you have available to you. So you can either press and hold the set and give you access to your timers and alarms. Back. And we can stop the activity or pause the activity. We can hit the GPS button like that. And after a few seconds, we'll have a quick little menu. We can either resume our activity, we can save it, assuming that we're done. We can resume later. This will pause the activity for about 30 minutes, in case you're going inside a location or something like that. You can set up a lap, or you can navigate back to start. If you want to get back to your car from your hiking activity, let's say you want to choose that. You can either choose track back, which is navigating the course that you will hiked up to that point, or you can navigate straight line A to B like that. And let's say we want to resume actually this activity. And the last thing here is to access the hiking settings. Here you can press and hold the menu button, and you'll be able to adjust the hike settings, which is everything revolving this activity profile. So you can customize the data screen, set up alerts. If you want to hike at a certain pace, you can set up the metronome, set up the auto lap and auto pace and scrolls and all these other settings that you may want to turn on or turn off. You can also specify the satellite networks you want to plug into, which is the standard GPS one, or the Russian or the European satellite systems for depending if you're traveling. And this is also where you can set up the ultra track. And from here you also have access to the navigation settings if you want a little bit more robust feature set. So you also have the back to start, access your courses, access your activities. If you want to navigate to a saved waypoint on your watch, hit the GPS, and then you can choose one of the waypoints that you've created up to that point. Or you can use sight and go. With your compass calibrated, you can go and lock in, just like when you navigate a compass, lock into a direction and then just walk it like that. And as you walk in that direction, you'll have your compass reading. So it's just like when you're navigating with a real compass. And once you're done the activity, basically that's it. You just hit the GPS button to stop it, and then you can make a decision whether you want to save or discard the activity. And there you go. That's quickly the hiking settings on the Garmin Instinct.